Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, I already moisturized my hair using my Jamaican black castor oil mixed with the coconut oil. You know my deal. So now I'm just going to start by sectioning the hair from the sides of my head towards the middle, and then just like section on the middle as well. Just like trying to make this like a really nice rectangle kind of section, okay? So when you do that, just put the whole thing in a ponytail, and then the remaining of the hair, just put it to the back and put it in a ponytail as well. We're gonna use that for later, guys. So yeah, I was like trying really hard to make this as straight line as possible, so bear with me guys, but I tried, I really did. Alright guys, so start by making a straight line. We're going to make this into 3 other sections. Oh my gosh, this style has a lot of sections guys, so just bear with me, okay? So we're going to start with the first section. The first section, we're going to section that into 2, taking the hair and just put it away for right now, because I just want to show you how to do this. I'll be using the Tresemme gel and the rubber bands. Alright, the first section that we did, we're going to section that into half, and then you're just going to get the gel, and then just apply that gel, take a brush and brush it up, and take the rubber band, secure that, tie that down, take the hair that you already put the gel on and section that into 2, pull that. Start twisting that hair down. We're pulling that hair because we're trying to make this as secure as possible and make it sleek, you know, so cute, whatever. So just start twisting that down, and then you're going to do that on the other side and on the remaining of the section hair. Alright guys, you're just going to start crisscrossing the hair from the first section to the second section in a crisscross form, and then when you get to the second one, you use the rubber band. Try to twist it around the second section, that way it blends well, because you know how we made this twist guys, we're trying to blend this together as much as we can. So from the second one, you're going to crisscross it to the third one and do the same with the rest. Alright guys, so I already finished the other side. So just section this hair in 3 and use the same gel and rubber band, secure it, pull it, and start twisting. Guys, don't worry about this gel. It's going to go away when we're done, okay? My hands and my superpowers, supernatural powers of making this hairstyle. Oh my gosh, guys, let's have a little humor, okay? Alright guys, now that we're done with the first part, half of the head, we're going to start working with the back, the remaining hair that we put away, guys. We're just going to start sectioning the hair, adding some gel, brushing it up, section, add gel, brush up, section, add gel, brush up. Because we're trying to get this as nice, sleek updo, okay? Okay guys, done with the hairstyle, done. We're about to start laying this baby hairs down. We're using this hold me down, just making this baby hairs, trying to make this style as cute as possible. Oh gosh, I didn't know I had those baby hairs, honey. I did not know they're coming through. Yes. And after we're done, we're just gonna take a hair scarf and tie this hair down. I'll be using the Jamaican black castor oil just to give it a little moisture, and nice fluffy hair piece that I got from the beauty supply. This was about what, $18 I think. This hair piece has 2 combs inside and the drawstring, guys. I'm just going to be using those combs to secure this ponytail in place, and the drawstring just to make sure it's nice and secure. I'll take a little bit of the hair, guys, from the sides and just start going around with it, making this hair piece look as natural as possible. And then just like fluff it around, fluff the hair, making it look, like my hair, guys, because it's my hair. I bought it. It's my hair. I bought it. It's my hair. Okay, guys, so that's the finished look. Oh my gosh, this style is cute. Oh, okay, come through, sis, come through. Yes, sis, yes, guys, thank you guys for watching. This is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys for taking your time to watch my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. See you later, guys. Take care. Bye. Mwah.